with gluten-free fun. Today for you, we are going to be doing what to use the ice cream for, because in a previous video, we made some ice cream that was dairy-free, gluten-free, and it's so good. It was tasted so good. Wow, it tasted so good.
It was awesome.
Okay. That's good. Okay, so today the first thing we're going to be showing you is how to make a fruity rainbow milkshake.
Yeah.
Which tastes, I don't know, because we haven't made it before. It's a recipe by my own design. So, let's get to it.
And it's probably going to be good because it's by her design.
Okay, restart it. Just. Okay. Alright. Okay, so, what we're going to do is we're going to take half a cup of ice. Where's the blendy thingy? Connor, go get the blendy thingy.
What blendy thingy?
The blades. The blades to the blender. Because, oh, by the way,
Oh, that blendy thingy.
if you are young and don't know how to use a blender, ask an adult for help.
Yeah.
So now we have the blades. These are very sharp, so if you aren't going to be careful with them, then ask an adult for help.
Yeah.
So
You must be very responsible to do this.
Yeah. So now we're going to take the half cup of ice, pour that in there. He's going to take that.
Yep. Oh my gosh, that is really cold.
Put it over there. Put it on the counter.
Oh
put it on
my
the
gosh,
counter,
that
put it
is
on the
so
counter.
cold. Okay.
Now. What?
Liquid last splashing.
Okay. So now we're going to pour in the first color of our rainbow, the strawberries. Half a cup of strawberries.
Yep. Red. What is that stuck?
Come here, strawberry. Thank you.
Okay. And next, ironically, you'll know the fruit when we say the color. Orange.
It's an orange.
Oranges.
Which my brother will be pouring in.
Because yeah. Oh wow, that was really easy. Our easiest one
So
yet.
now we have the yellow color. We've got
Banana.
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 So Connor is also going to pour in the banana.
Oh wow.
Shake it. Shake it.
Oh, there we go.
Yay.
Yay.
So now we have our green color, the ice cream.
Green.
I don't know how much this would be. A bowl full, I guess? Just use a bowl full of ice cream.
Yeah.
Or however much ice cream the last batch made. So yeah.
Yeah.
So now we're going to put that ice cream all in there. Oh, good grief, it started to melt already.
Oh no. But it's okay. Oh, it's escaping.
Put this.
One of them is escaping. Oh, that was really cold. Oh gosh, that is super cold.
Okay.
Oh. Go.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh. Okay, let's go. And as you see, we have some fish in the background. One of them is named Leonard.
And the other is
over
named
here-
Nemo.
And then over here we have one of the
Sorry.
snake. He's a koi, so he's huge.
They can't see the koi, Connor.
I know. But I'm
Okay.
saying, since he's a koi, he's huge.
So now the blue/purple color, blueberries.
Whoa. There's literally what?
You can eat it. Go ahead, eat it. Is it sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Yeah, he got a sweet blueberry. All right, hand me this spoon.
Okay. This is gonna be a little disgusting if I say that when I say this, but honestly, I think that was sour, but I liked it anyway.
Oh, okay. It's like the Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah. Sorta is.
Alright, so now I'm going to pour the milk in. Almond milk, because this is almond milk ice cream.
Yeah, dairy free. Dairy free.
Pour that in. Alright. Now we have our rainbow. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid on.
How do I see the corner?
We're going to put the lid on.
Lid on. There's a little bit of ice cream topping up. Just topped up.
Okay. We're going to turn on the power and we are going to
A few moments later.
If you put your elbow on the counter and the blender's blending, the counter vibrates.
So I think that's as blended as it's gonna get. There's a couple of little pieces of fruit in there, but it's a fruit milkshake, so you wanna taste that fruit.
Yeah. You're so silly. Okay, I know.
So now what we're going to do is we are going to unlock our blender. Connor's going to get a paper towel to put the blender on because there's a little bit of ice cream on the outside.
This is like a really good size.
Okay. Now I'm going to take another paper towel. We're just gonna wipe up that mess.
Yeah, because there's a little bit of mess. We got a glass cup. Actually, we got two.
All right, switch. Here, you take that to the trash, and I will pour us some glasses.
On it.
So now we're going to pour our milkshake. Mmm, looks good.
It kind of looks like the teal color. Now remember, this has got strawberry, orange, banana. Then
Okay.
it's got blueberry, which is our blue/purple. So it's one fruit to get both colors, which makes it a rainbow.
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
That's good.
Mom, you gotta try
like-
some of this.
That's really good. Here, try it. It's better than the last one.
Yeah.
She's happy.
Last time we only did the blueberry. And the audio quality was so bad we didn't really
Last
post
time we used a bit too much ice and too many blueberries. This time only using a half a cup of everything really helped.
Especially because we did a whole rainbow, which made it really, well, pun intended, fruitful. But
Wow. Wow.
I'm sorry. That was a really bad
All right. Thank you for watching. We will be back with our second use for the ice cream. Bye. Bye.
Several bad puns later.
Welcome back. So, now after we have done the milkshake, we are going to do a Coca-Cola float
Now, this ice cream
and
turned
a
out.
root beer float. Connor, why don't you go ahead and tell them how the ice cream turned out?
It turned out great, except it's a little squishy, but that doesn't really matter.
Yeah, so if you look at our original ice cream recipe, link in the description, then you will see that the ice cream is freshly made. We freezed it for 20 minutes. Froze it for 20 minutes, sorry. Yeah, and it came out still a bit squishy, but it's much better than it looks. So my recommendation is to leave it in the freezer overnight and see how that turns out. Okay, so first off, Connor, which one do you want to do? Do you want to do the Coke float or do you want to do the root beer float?
I'm gonna say root beer float.
We're starting with the root beer float.
Yeah. root beer floats.
Get some ice cream there.
Just kind of.
And some ice cream in there. Now we're going for it in the root beer. Oh, the reason the ice cream is green is because from our milkshake, there was some leftover green ice cream in the container, which caused this ice cream to turn a bit green.
Like
So, yeah.
Hulk green. Like at first,
Not too green, though.
it was like dark green, but now it's like Hulk green.
Yeah. Tastes like root beer. We still need the spoons.
But also, it does give a little tint from the ice cream into the root beer,
You don't
which
have
makes
any
it
spoons.
taste a little better.
Okay. Well, the ice cream is soft enough to just drink up with the root beer, so. It's pretty good. It's good with the root beer. It tastes really good. This ice cream, we use cashew milk. I recommend using almond milk because it gives the ice cream a much better flavor. However, this tastes good too. That's just a recommendation. You use whatever
And
you
the-
think tastes better.
And the ice cream makes it start to look a little like coffee.
That's good.
So, if you try this, comment and down below if it's as delicious as this one.
They can't taste this one. Comment down below if it tasted good, if you tried it. If you didn't, if you just enjoyed the video, comment that too.
Or they probably know how good it is on our reactions.
Everyone has different taste buds, but
Okay.
okay. So now we are going to try the Coca-Cola float.
Yeah. So we'll just set these off to the sides for now. Fire in the hole!
Okay. Pretty good. All right. Whoa!
Holy smokes!
I think it's better with the Coca-Cola. It just has a nicer flavor. I still recommend almond milk for the ice cream, no matter what you use. But all in all, this is pretty good. I'd
Yeah.
say this was a success.
We use the Silk's cashew milk for the ice cream for this batch.
Yeah.
And
All right. Well, that, my friends, is going to do it for this video. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can be notified about our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Subscribe.